Sealite is a global leader in the design and manufacture of marine aids to navigation products, with sites in Australia, Singapore, the United States, Colombia and the United Kingdom. Sealite's commitment to manufacturing continues with the expansion of their rotational moulding facilities at their headquarters in Australia.
It's our third site in the world and makes us genuinely the largest with the biggest footprint globally. So what we do here is we manufacture all sorts of navigation aids and ocean buoys and channel markers.
The commissioning of this new machine provides Sealite the opportunity to double their manufacturing capabilities in Australia, right across the marine buoy range.
These are big capital investments for us, but they're really about two things. They're about quality and lead time. Quality is really, really important because when you think of the critical nature of our products, where they go, how expensive it can be to go out and repair and try to fix, that's essential to our customers' needs. The next is lead time. So when we're manufacturing them ourselves, when we're making the product in-house, that gets our turnaround time and allows us to deliver to site faster and better than many of our competitors.
Sealite's consistency in quality and durability begins with the local sourcing of UV-stabilised virgin material for colour vibrancy. Using stringent manufacturing process and standards, Sealite's range of products remain tough and durable, ensuring they will last a very long time on station.
We've got a real passion for insourcing and manufacturing products, and our rotational moulding is only an element of that. So visitors to our factory are always impressed by our electronic surface mount assembly line, our injection moulding facilities, our precision tool room, because we do lots and lots here.
The new site supports Sealite's supply and manufacture of navigational lighting, moorings and other turnkey solutions that are delivered to over 100 countries worldwide.
So the proof of this is evidenced in some of the large projects that we've been fortunate to be a part of. We manufacture in excess of 55,000 navigation aids from this facility, and we deliver those through Asia, the Middle East, Africa, the Americas.
With an expected service life of up to 15 years, why go anywhere else? Contact your Sealite representative today.